These are the tools you'll need. Turn on the Tiger and let it warm up for 15 minutes before calibration. Press B to confirm benzene as the selection. Measure room temperature with a thermometer. Adjust the value in the menu using the arrow keys. When the value is correct, press B to select Next in the menu. Prepare the pre-filter. Place the pre-filter in the glass cutter. Rotate the pre-filter and gently break off one end. Repeat on the other end. Insert the pre-filter with the arrow pointing towards the Tiger. Connect the gas cylinder. Press B to start calibration. Press B to confirm OK in the menu. Disconnect the gas cylinder and tubing. Press B to confirm OK in the menu. Press A to select Escape and return to normal measurement mode. Let the instrument purge until the reading returns to 0 before starting measurements.